Assalamualaikum students. Can you all hear me? Can everybody hear me? Okay, thank you so much. So, we had our English language lecture yesterday and the topic was finished. So today I am going to start English literature because our one lesson, complete lesson, last one is left and we have not completed the written work of second last lesson also. Okay, only one question is left. So I am going to make you complete first the last question of the second last chapter, okay, which was Emily's return to Julia's crime. Okay, only 6 questions was left. So we should start writing question number 6 first. I want you all to take out your English literature copies so that we could complete the last question of that lesson, and then we will be going to start the last lesson, which is sad losses, happy ending. Okay, I want you all to be prepared for writing. Take out your copies where you have done the last second last chapter which we were doing till the last day, and the lesson name was Emily's Return, Julia's Crime. Okay, we have completed 5 questions. Are you all with me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes,
So,
miss. Yes, miss.
I
Yes, miss.
want you all to confirm me that group A, B of section A and section B, you all are having total question 5 of this lesson, Emily's Return, Julia's Crime.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Who got 5 questions? Because I know you are all taking the proper classes, but still having 5 questions written work. कोई ऐसा है जिसके पास क्वेश्चन 5 तक कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, एक्सेप्ट दोज हु वर एब्सेंट. Okay, Asya, your copy you will find it today. Okay, or maybe with the collection day. अगर आज आ जाती हैं पेरेंट्स आ जाते हैं तो you can collect it, or otherwise you have to collect the copies on the collection day. But the whole lesson should be at one copy, at one place. Okay, where you have started the lesson, you have to complete all 6 questions at the same copy, at the same side. ऐसा ना हो कि you are doing question number 6 जो हमारा रह गया है, it will be you are doing that question in the next copy. No, the whole lesson should be at one side, at one place, in one copy. Okay, so should I start dictating you question number 6?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Acha. With you, I'll be writing at the same time. Write down the question first and make proper index also. Okay, first write down in your index. In today's date, you have to give the index question number 6 of that chapter, and then start writing from the next page where you have left question number 5. From the next page, write down the date properly and then start writing question number 6. I'm giving you some time. Okay, okay, Anamta, if you people are on question number 3, you have done question number 3. Okay, so we should start from question number 4. Till then, all the students just wait. Okay, all those students who are at question number 5, they should wait for some time so that we should complete question number 4 also. Okay, I'm start writing question number 4. Also, I'm dictating. Okay, if you find any difficult word, you can see the screen as I'm writing over here, as well as I am dictating you also. Question number 4 is, why did Mr. Peggotty go to Yarmouth? Go to Yarmouth. You should be very careful and very active while listening. Okay, I am writing also with you and I'm dictating you also. If you find any problem, you can see the screen for the difficult spellings. Okay, otherwise you should listen very carefully and write properly. Be very careful about the spellings. Yes, Halima, I'm starting for question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is, why did Mr. Peggotty go to Yarmouth? Now write down its answer. Mr. Peggotty went to Yarmouth. Mr. Peggotty went to Yarmouth to say goodbye. To his relatives. To say goodbye to his relatives as he had decided to leave his country for good. To leave his country for good. Mr. Peggotty went to Yarmouth to say goodbye to his relatives as he had decided to leave his country for good. All those who haven't done question number 3 also, I am writing question number 3 also. Okay. I am also writing question number 3 and its answer. Be with me. How did Emily live in France? How did Emily live in France? Question mark. The answer is, Emily ran away. Second form of run is ran. Emily ran away from the custody of Steerforth and reached France She started working as a maid, M-A-I-D, maid. This maid is called the servant. Okay, this is not M-A-D-T, maid. This is M-A-I-D, maid, which means servant. She started working as a maid to some traveling ladies.
Miss, Miss,
Okay, now come to question
Yes.
number 4. Why did Mr. Peggotty go to Yarmouth? Why did Mr. Peggotty go to Yarmouth? Question mark. Answer is Mr. Pegotti went to Yarmouth. If you find me dictating you very quickly or fastly, so you can tell me. Okay. If you found my speed very fast, so you can tell me so that I'll be slow down my speed. Yes. Question number 4. Answer is Mr. Pegotti went to Yarmouth to say goodbye. See the spelling of goodbye. B-Y-E by. Goodbye to his relatives. To his relatives, as he had decided to leave his country, as he had decided to leave his country for good, for good. Now come to question number 6. How did Mr. Micawber uncover Uriah's crimes? Uriah's crimes. The answer is Mr. Micawber uncovered Uriah's crimes. Mr. Micawber uncovered Uriah's crimes by serving him as a personal clerk comma upon Treadle's request. See on the screen that how I am writing Treadles over here. Look at the screen first. Okay, upon Treadle's request. This is apostrophe S, which is not before comma and after S. Okay, whenever we are having a word just like Uriah. Okay, if you see this word Uriah's crimes. Okay, इस word को देखेंगे अगर हम, so you will find that I have put apostrophe comma first and then S. पहले comma आ रहा है, then S आ रहा है. Okay, whenever is the word or any noun which is not ending on S. जब कोई भी word और कोई भी noun हमारा S पे end नहीं होता. Okay, and we have to put apostrophe s over here, so we should use first comma and then s. जब भी कोई हमारा noun ending उसकी s पे नहीं है, other than any other letter or any other alphabet other than s, अगर वो end except s किसी और letter पे end हो रहा है, तो we use first comma and then s. Okay, this is the normal way of writing apostrophes. But if we are having any name or any word, okay, which is having ending on s, जिसकी ending s पे है, okay, so how we will use apostrophe comma over there? Then we will use only comma upon s and no next s हम वहाँ put नहीं करते, because at the end it is already s. ठीक है, क्योंकि उस noun के end में already एक s आया हुआ है. Yes, apostrophe comes after the name having s in the end. अगर किसी भी word के या name के end में already s लगा हुआ है at the end, तो हम comma उस s के ऊपर put करते हैं, उसके बाद comma नहीं, उसके बाद s use नहीं करते. Okay, so Treadles is a particular name which ends on s. ठीक है, Treadles तो normal उसका नाम ही Treadles है. Okay, so हमको अगर apostrophe s use करना है, so we will use s and then comma. उस s के ऊपर कॉमा लगाएंगे और फिर कॉमा के बाद अगेन वी विल नॉट राइट एनी अदर s. ठीक है, एट द लास्ट अल्फाबेट. यस, इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? If anybody found any confusion in this apostrophe writing, तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, ठीक है? Okay. Now come to the question answer again. Mr. Mikover uncovered Julia's crimes by serving him as a personal clerk, comma, upon Treadle's request. Full stop. Somebody saying something? Okay. Upon Treadle's request, then full stop. He had a chance. He had a chance to have an eye on. See the screen also. See the screen also while I'm dictating you. He had a chance to have an eye. Eye means eye, जो हमारी आँख है. It means that he wants to have an eye on Yulia's activities. Means उसके ऊपर नजर रखना. उसको chance मिल जाता है that he is having an eye on Yulia's activities. Whatever is Yulia doing, he had got an eye on him. An eye on Yulia's activities. Full stop. Hence, comma, all his crimes were uncovered. All his crimes were uncovered. All his crimes were uncovered. Acha, I'm starting writing question number 6 at the next slide. Okay, so it will not be so much congested. Come to question number 6. Okay. Come to question number 6. Write down the question first. Yes. Question number 6 is, what were the crimes Julia Heap was accused of? What were the crimes Julia Heap was accused of? Accused of means उसके ऊपर इल्जाम लगाया गया था किस क्राइम का. तो कौन से क्राइम्स थे for which Julia Heap was accused of? Everybody is with me? If is anyone left behind, he or she can tell me. कि मिस 2 मिनट वेट कर लीजिए या 1 मिनट वेट कर लीजिए. I can wait. I know there is a problem while writing and dictating. Okay, should I start the writing answer also? If somebody is not telling me to wait, I'm starting writing. Okay. Okay. Now come to point number 1. He persuaded Mr. Wickfield. He persuaded means to force. He forced Mr. Wickfield to sign important papers, important business papers or business letters you can also write. Okay, we should write letters here. Business letters blindly. Blindly means he forced him not to see, not to read the papers, just sign them. Yes, Halima, you have to write in points as I am writing over here. After writing such as, I have put colon over here, okay? It's a colon, then with the next line you will be starting writing bit numbers 1, 2, 3, or you can make the star also, you can make static, you can make dot also like me. Okay, you have to write in points in bullet form. He persuaded Mr. Wickfield to sign important business letters blindly. Means he forced Mr. Wickfield not to think, not to read the papers, not to read the letters, just sign them without looking and without reading them. Okay, this is called blindly. Number 2, he insisted upon Wickfield. He insisted upon Wickfield to allow him to withdraw some money from the bank to fulfill the business expenses, SES, expenses, to fulfill the business expenses. Okay, akhrajat. He insisted upon Mr. Wickfield to allow him to withdraw some money from the bank to fulfill the business expenses. This is not expensive. ये महंगे वाला expensive नहीं है. This is called expenses. खर्चे, अखराजात जिसको हम कहते हैं. ठीक है. Now come to point number 3. He made his dishonest deeds. He made his dishonest deeds. See the spelling also. Appear to be that of. Appear to be that of Mr. Wickfield's. Appear to be that of Mr. Wickfield's. Wickfield's. This is apostrophe S. Okay, Mr. Wickfield's. Number next. Number next is taking undue, UNDUE, taking undue advantages or advantage. Taking undue advantage of situation means हालात का नाजायज फायदा उठाना. Okay, when he found Mr. Wickfield looking weak, okay, taking undue advantage of situation means whatever were the situations, whatever were the circumstances, he took an undue advantage means उस चीज का नाजायज फायदा उठाना. So Uriah Heep took undue advantage of the situation, what was going on at that time, comma, Uriah worried Mr. Wickfield. Uriah worried Mr. Wickfield and controlled him. And controlled him means he controlled all the activities of Mr. Wickfield when he saw him very weak and physically, mentally weak, health-wise weak, plus in the business his attention and his collaboration, and in the business his involvement, when it becomes weak, he saw this is the situation, this is the time to take undue advantages of what is happening inside the company, inside the business. Okay, now there is one more point. He used Wickfield's signature, apostrophe yes again. He used Wickfield's signatures on business letters, Then come to next line. This is the another point. He tried to force he tried to force Wickfield to withdraw from all his business comma, sorry, full stop, it's full stop, from all his business, full stop. He wanted to marry Agnes, and under bracket you will be writing daughter of Mr. Wickfield. He wanted to marry Agnes, daughter of Mr. Wickfield, will be written under bracket. Okay, then full stop. Now this is the completion of question number 6. Okay, and here our lesson Emily's returns, Uriah's crying. Okay, it ends over here. Okay, it ends over here. Now, are you all with me? Anybody is left behind? Have you all done? Okay. Now I want you all to close your copies. Okay, and open your books. Page number 77. Everybody, close your copies and open your books. Page number 77. We are going to start reading of lesson 12. Okay? Okay, Vanya will start reading. Okay, just a second. Just a second. Give a half a minute to get prepared all the students and come to the books. Okay, थोड़ा सा time देते हैं so that everybody will be at the same boat, and then we will be going to start reading. Okay. Now, Vanya, you'll start reading. Okay? Everybody look into the books. Yes, Vanya.
Sad loses happy endings. Dora asks to see Agnes. Here I must pause. I was with Dora again in our cottage. I cannot remember how long she had been ill, in weeks or months. But to me, her illness seemed to have lasted a long, long time.
Okay.
I was sitting by her.
Wait. Here I must pause. I was with Dora again. I means, what does I mean? I means David. Okay, I means David. David is writing. And what did he say? That here I will take a pause, and I was with Dora again in our cottage. I cannot remember how long she had been ill, in weeks or months. He hadn't counted the weeks or months. Means he hadn't counted the days, how long she had been ill or weak. But to me, her illness seemed to have lasted a long, long time. Means उसको ऐसे feel हो रहा था that she is having this illness for a long, long time. It's too long that she is on the bed. She is not talking to me. She is not running or walking with me. She is very weak, whatever. But he hadn't counted the days or months or weeks. But David thinks that she is very much weak and ill, and she is ill for a long, long time. Okay? Yes, Vanya.
I was sitting by her bed in the evening. We were silent and Dora was smiling. I no longer carried her up and downstairs now. She lay on her bed all day. David, my dear Dora, are you very lonely with you? Go downstairs now. Of
Acha,
course
in
I
the
am.
previous chapters, we had read also that David and Dora, they both get together and come downstairs, and when they go up in the room, they also used to go upstairs together. Okay, वो दोनों साथ ही अपने रूम से नीचे उतर कर आते थे, and then they both go upstairs together. So now she is asking to David, are you feeling very lonely when you go downstairs when I am not with you, and you are when you are coming upstairs you are feeling lonely? Is that so? Yes, Vanya, again.
My my own love, when I see your empty chair, my empty chair, and you really miss me, David. You miss poor, silly, stupid Dora. My love, there is no one on this earth I could miss so much. Oh, husband, I am so glad yet so sorry. Just give Agnes my love and tell her I want very, very much to see her. There is nothing else left to wish for.
Yes.
A great
No,
loss.
no, no,
A
just
few days.
wait, Vanya, wait. Acha, now what is she saying? Now in this first chapter, okay, this is the lesson sad losses happy ending. Okay, this is the now ending of this lesson, and in this lesson we will find so many deaths. Okay, so many tragedies in this lesson. Okay, time to time. And this is the chapter Dora asked to see Agnes. In this lesson, you will find that Dora wants to see Agnes because Agnes is the most favorite, you can say, or she is the best friend of David. Okay, वो उसको समझती है, उससे डिस्कस करती है, and they both find themselves very comfortable with each other. So Dora wants David to take Agnes to her so that she can meet at the last time, because Dora is feeling that she will be no more. Okay, she will be no more means वो जल्द ही मर जाएगी. So here David said that I will take a pause over here and I am with Dora again, and she wants, and I cannot remember how long she had been ill. Okay, कितने दिनों से बीमार थी, I don't remember this thing. I haven't counted the weeks or months, but for me her illness seemed to have lasted a long time. It means that Dora is not. He said that Dora is Dora had been ill for a long time. Means he is feeling very lonely for a long time. And then he said that I was sitting by her bed when David was sitting by Dora's bed in the evening. We were silent and Dora was smiling. Okay, Dora was very happy, and she is, you can say, she is smiling at that time. I no longer carried her up and down stairs now means वो उसको ना अब उस दोनों साथ नीचे upstairs downstairs जा सकते थे, और ना ही David उसको ऊपर लेकर आता था, because she is on the bed for all the time, for every second, for every minute she is on the bed. वो अपने पैरों पर खड़ी भी नहीं हो पाती. She lay on her bed all day. David, my dear Dora, are you very lonely when you go downstairs now? Means Dora is asking, are you feeling or you feel yourself lonely when you go downstairs? Because I am not with you. Of course, I am, my own love. When I see your empty chair, means downstairs there is a chair also where Dora was sitting over there, and she used to she used to wait for David on that chair. So David was saying that of course I am feeling very lonely and I am missing you, and I am also, when I see your empty chair, I really feel lonely and I miss you over there when I go downstairs. My empty chair, and you really miss me, David. You miss poor, silly, stupid Dora. Means Dora is saying herself silly and stupid. Means I am silly, I am stupid, I am maybe I couldn't took care of me, of myself. मैंने अपना खुद का ख्याल नहीं रखा. That's why I am here on the bed. So you miss Poor silly stupid Dora. My love, there is no one on this earth I could miss so much. Means David is saying that I love you so much. That's why I cannot. There is no one whom I miss so much just like you. जितना मैं तुम्हें मिस करता हूँ अब उतना ज़्यादा किसी को मिस नहीं करते because you are the only one in my life. उसकी लाइफ में वैसे भी कोई था भी नहीं. His mother had died और उसके जो step father थे वो तो उसके साथ थे नहीं. So David is always alone. वो हमेशा इधर उधर रहकर ही अपने लाइफ को स्पेंड करता रहा. But she is the one who is the closed one with David और वो अब बीमार थी. Oh husband, I am so glad yet so sorry. Just give Agnes my love and tell her I want very very much to see her. There is nothing else left to wish for. Means I have no wish. Dora is saying that this is my last wish to when you meet Agnes, tell her that I want to see her and I want to talk to her. There is nothing else left to wish for. अब मेरे पास कोई और ऐसी ख्वाहिश नहीं है जो मैं मरते वक्त आप कुछ करूं या कुछ कहूं. But I want Agnes to see her, to meet with her and to talk to her. Okay, so we should keep this lesson up till here. Okay, एक ही चैप्टर यहाँ रखते हैं because if we will continue it, it is too long. वो हम कर नहीं पाएंगे. The explanation will not be completed. So we should stop here at this chapter. Dora asks to see Agnes. Okay, अब in the next chapter what happens and how Dora met with how will Dora meet with Agnes and what will she ask, what will she talk to Agnes. It will be seen or it will be read in the next class, maybe on Tuesday. Okay, your next class is on Tuesday, so we will start from the same a great loss. Okay, एक पीछे का overview देकर I will start reading and explaining your next lesson, your next chapter, a great loss. Everyone should be at that time with your books. Okay, on the collection day you will, on the submission of collection day maybe you will be submitting your this lesson what you have completed yes right now. जैसे हमने आज ये वाला lesson complete कर लिया है, all 6% we have done of that lesson. Okay, everybody has got this complete lesson. Okay, अब no group A no group B, we are now together. अब हम सारे एक साथ हैं. ग्रुप ए सेक्शन ए सेक्शन बी ग्रुप ए ग्रुप बी. ओके, वी ऑल आर एट द सेम बोट. वी हैव डन and we have completed the last chapter which is Emily's returns, Uriah's crying. Okay, now this last topic, this last lesson, sad losses happy ending, has started, which is lesson number 12. So Sanya, if you found the message that you have to submit the copies, then only you will be submitting. Okay, because you have empties also, so it's not necessary that you will be submitting the copy. Okay, in this way. If you found any message, okay, अगर आपको कोई ऐसा मैसेज मिलता है और any WhatsApp message or if you find any notification on the Google Classroom, then only you will be coming with your unchecked copies. Otherwise, you have to just collect your previous copies which you have already submitted. Most of the students of B group, they are not having their both copies. They are all copies. Okay, they have to collect from school their previous copies which they have already submitted on Friday. ओके, तो उनको अपनी कॉपीज कलेक्ट करनी पड़ेंगी. ओके, इफ यू फाइंड द मैसेज ऑफ सबमिशन आल्सो, देन ओनली यू विल बी सबमिटिंग द कॉपीज, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट बी सबमिटिंग द कॉपी. ओके, ओनली कलेक्शन डे होगा फिर, बिकॉज यू आर हैविंग एम्प्टीज आल्सो. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द एम्प्टी आल्सो. You should read the whole lesson which I have given you in the empty. Okay, पूरा lesson अच्छी तरीके से from the book you will be reading. बुक में से रीड करेंगे, बिकॉज इफ यू read the book there is nothing left in class for copies to read or to learn. Okay, these are MCQ type questions on Google form, so you have to read the book very carefully, very attentively, so that you can answer any question. Okay, बहुत अच्छी तरीके से उनको रीड कीजिएगा. No need to learn question answers, but you have to learn words meaning. Okay, you have to open the copies only for words meaning, other than you don't have to learn anything in this empty. Abdullah Sir, I am not getting what you are saying. English language की copy देनी है, किसको देनी है? I have to give you or you have to submit. You are not going to submit any copy. You will only collect the copies. Okay, अगर मुझे आपको देनी है तो obviously you will be collecting them. Okay, you will find the message on Google Classroom और WhatsApp. उस डेट पर आकर अपनी copies आप ले जाइएगा. Okay. Okay, so we will meet inshallah on Tuesday. Okay, if you find any problem, you can comment me in Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. We will meet on Tuesday with this lesson. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.